There have been many controversial explanations about Judas the traitor, but Jesus himself did not forgive Judas the traitor. Then, what crime did Judas the traitor commit? To solve this mystery, Michelangelo Buonarroti has left one panel painting. That is a picture called The Entombment. In the center of the picture, the man depicted above is what I, Hiroshi Hayashi, consider to be Judas the traitor. He is a bold person. Then, when I looked it up, Michelangelo Buonarroti drew a man with the same face as this man on the ceiling painting of Cappella Sistina. This picture is titled The Sacrifice of Noah. However, the man here drawn is not Noah. It is a villainous man who pretended to be Noah. Yes, he is a villain who cooks a human on an iron plate. Then, this villain is someone else, not Noah. I, Hiroshi Hayashi, consider the man around Jesus by the elimination method and decided that this man was Judas the traitor. On the other hand, the same person depicted in the entombment, along with John the Baptist and Inanna Maria, helped to kill Shamash Jesus. In other words, he is betraying Jesus. In this way, the bold man depicted in the Cappella Sistina and the bold man depicted in the entombment are connected. It is a villainy who betrayed Jesus. In other words, it is Judas the traitor. I will explain these facts in this video. 裏切り者のユダについてはいろいろな説明、議論が続いていますが、イエス自身がそのユダを裏切り者と位置づけ許していません。となると、裏切り者のユダはどんな罪を犯したというのでしょうか。で、ミケランジェロは一枚のパネル画を描き残しています。埋葬と題された絵が